So how does it work if you want to measure heart rate on your iPhone? Let's explain that and let's get into it. So you should know that all of this stuff is managed inside of the Health app. So this app is like a white icon with a little heart on it, and this is where all of the data is saved. So you can get inside and browse your trends and a summary, but if you go to the browse section at the bottom, you can directly find the heart related information. And upon clicking here, you can already see that I have some heart rate information. But the important thing to realize in here is that this information wasn't captured by the actual iPhone, but by the Apple Watch, which I have been wearing on my wrist during that time. So the important distinction is that the iPhone can see and can show you the heart rate info in this health app, but it cannot collect it. It just cannot measure your heart rate because it doesn't have the physical sensor implemented into it, right? The Apple Watch can do that because it has the sensors. Obviously, you can add your own custom data right there, right? So if you know for a fact from some other device that this was your heart rate during that time, you can add it and it's just gonna show up in your health data app, right? So it might be a good way if you know that, but the iPhone simply doesn't track your heart rate. There have only been a few phones which have that implemented. Like in the past, like a couple of years back, there has been the Samsung Galaxy S5, which has been kind of notorious for having the heart rate sensor on the backside of the phone, but it didn't really, work, or people were not really that excited about it. You need to hold your finger on it, right? And it was supposed to measure your heart rate, and I guess it kind of worked, but they didn't continue with it, so this is how it is right now. So let me know below in the comments what you think about it. Subscribe for more explanations and guides like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.